We all have to use gasoline, so might as well test it. Today we're going to show you how to test your fuel. Not all fuel is the same from station to station to station. When you're running a high-performance vehicle, say you're running for sick week, great example. One of the competitors this year tested the fuel that they were going to put in the race car and found out that the ethanol level was at 72% when they had the engine tuned at E85. What can that do to the car? First of all, performance. That's what they're after, performance. That is going to damage the performance of the car and not give it its full maximum potential. So let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to use using the testers. You need a tester, you need fuel, and you need water. So it's really easy. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put water to the blue line. Then we're going to fill the remaining part up with fuel. We're going to shake it, let it sit for 5 minutes. You can see the level, what the ethanol is by these indicators. Very, very simple. Take and fill the water up. To the blue line, like I've got there. We're going to take the remaining, we're going to top it off with pump gas. That's what we're going to test today. Put the cap on nice and tight. You'll see that we have fuel to the orange line. We're going to shake that up, and then we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
You can see here that the ethanol level is at 5%. The pump says that it has 10% or less, falls within range. Knowing that your gas is good is just one less thing you have to worry about at the racetrack. Testing your fuel is easy with REV X fuel testers. We have the E85 tester for E85, and we have the Super Tester for gasoline. Pick those up at revxoil.com.